Program buttons, you can change a Point Mobile's Android device hardware key to pre-assigned function. By selecting, for example, I can set the F1 as tab, F2 as there, F3 as return, and with F4, I can run specific application. So now you are watching the preset functions. By selecting Run Application menu, you can launch a specific application. I'm choosing the Chrome here. And after setup, please touch OK button, and then I will pressing the F4 in PM550, and it will launch the Chrome here. And after using the program buttons, if you want to set the default setting, please touch the default button. KCM is Key Character Map, which Android supports, and Point Mobile Android device support KCM file rule that you can map to specific functions to our hardware buttons. In this session, I will disable recent and back and set home as scan button. But combination of the function key, these three keys will work as a recent, home, and back. Let's check the Android developer site first. So Android developer site just described what is a KCM and mapping file. And here key code, we can refer this website as well. Android, I mean the Google defined all key functions and key code which Android OS recognize and handle it. We can set hardware button space function, shift or caps lock pressed function, and function key pressed functions. So in this video clip, I am changing base function of home, back, and reset, and set the meta, which is the function key pressed feature. And I will write down the fallback value. I will set the all meta function. And the meta here, meta is that when function key is pressed. And I am setting the home button space function as the scanner. And recent button, I will set none, which is no action. And back is also set the none here. Please save it and copy it to your PM Point Mobile Android device. And if you want to have a default KCM file, please contact us and we will guide you how to modify and which value you need to do. You need to set and save. Now, after you copy the KCM files, you have to go to Program Buttons and go to the definition and select the KCM file which you save to device by long press action and touch apply. And KCM file case, it requires your rebooting. Touch OK to reboot the PM Point Mobile Android device. And after reboot, I am checking that the home and back and reset function is working correctly as I said. So please see the FN icon here. FN icon means that I press the function key with the blue key. So back button doesn't work at all, but if I press the function key, it's working as the back reset is working when I just function key is pressed, and also home as well. So can program buttons and KCM file could be backed up and restored to other Point Mobile Android device? Answer is yes. You can deploy any KCM files to program button settings with the direct clone. First webinar, we introduced direct clone's virus deploy function, and one of your PDA work as a backup file deploying server, and it communicates with a hotspot technology. Here are the list what direct clone could back up. For example, virus and network setting, device settings, and personal setting, system settings, and scanners, power launcher, program buttons, which I just mentioned, buttons, program button settings, and the custom KCM file, and also user's application. When we released Android 7 and Android 8 OS device, Google changed some structure that some of the settings did not back up correctly, but we are improving it now. So next OS imagery release, direct clone's backup function will be more powerful. But there are items which it can't be backed up. For example, Google's app package and apps which doesn't allow backup by developers' decision. For example, MDM application like Salty, AirWatch, Mobile Island, and some velocity from Ivanti. This kind of app did not allow to backup. And apps setting and data file, we did not backup. We only install the APK file. And phone call log and SMS and MMS is not possible to backup. So today we just cover ticketing system, device info, bug report taking, and issue creating, OS update, and program buttons, and Android KCM, and demonstration of that, and also explain direct clone's limitation.